Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today I'm going to be sharing all of my favorite cases here for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, believe it or not, I get this same exact question almost all the time, no matter what video it is I am doing. If this phone is in that video and there's a case on this device, I am always getting asked this same exact question: what case am I using on this device? And I thought to myself, instead of answering that same question every single time, I'm just gonna go ahead and make a dedicated video about it. These are my favorite cases for the S21 Ultra, my go-to cases on a daily basis. Depending on what I'm doing that day or how I'm feeling or whatever, one of these cases is going on my phone. And this is not a full review for these cases. I do have full reviews for all of them already, including some drop tests, which I'll link down in the description below in case you want to check out those videos. And I'll also drop links to all of these cases down in the description below as well, in case you want to pick one up for yourself. But let's go ahead and get started. So starting off with the very first case, which I was actually already using today, so it's already on my device. This is the Rinky Fusion X Camel Black, and this is one of my most favorite cases for pretty much any device that they have this case available for. Really loving the whole camel design in the back. It's got a nice texture to it, and it's also see-through, so it's kind of hard to tell with the black Galaxy S21 Ultra because it's black on black, kind of blends in with each other. But if you have one of the other colored devices, it's really going to show through and make this camel design really stand out. Either way, it looks really cool. Like I said, one of my most favorite cases for pretty much any device that it is available for. It's really lightweight, doesn't add too much bulk to your device, feels good in the hands, but even though it doesn't add too much bulk, it's still going to give it some good protection. And I've actually done a drop test here on the channel, but aside from dropping it here on camera, in my personal life, I tend to drop my phone a lot as well. If you've been following me for a while, you will know this. I tend to drop my phone a lot, and this case has done a great job at protecting this device. You can't even tell that I've dropped it like ever. So very good when it comes to protection, has a really cool design, feels good in the hands, doesn't add too much bulk. Again, this is the Rinky Fusion X in Camel Black. Let's take a look at another one here. We'll go ahead and go with another Rinky case that I use right here. This is the Rinky Onyx in black with a pretty cool design there in the back. I'm not really sure what it is, to be honest, but I think it still looks pretty cool. It just gives it a unique look here in the back. It's got a nice texture to it as well. Kind of helps it stay pretty secure in your hand. Again, just like the Fusion X case that we just took a look at, really lightweight, doesn't add too much bulk to your device, and also gives your phone some good protection as well. This is another case that I did a drop test, and another case that I kind of dropped my phone with in my own personal life as well, off camera. So it does a very good job at protecting your device. Doesn't add too much bulk, lightweight, gonna stay nice and secure in your hand, and it's got a cool design in the back and just a cool feel as well. Like I said, it's got a nice texture in the back, but again, this is the Fusion X, and this is actually a case that I have been questioned about a lot in other videos because I have shown this case on this device a lot more than any of these other ones here. So if you've been wondering, this is it right here, the Rinky Onyx in black with the design. Like I said, I'll have links down in the description below. Okay, on to the next case. Okay, now this case right here, it's not going to give you the most protection when it comes to all of the cases right here, but I absolutely love this case. This is my go-to case when it comes to super thin cases for this device. This is the Pitaka Mag Easy case. And like I said, I absolutely love this case. Loving the overall design in the back. I think it looks really nice, has a really sleek design, adds completely no bulk to this device, feels really good in the hand, almost feels like you're not using a case at all. Kind of like you're using a skin instead. And then it's got a metal plate embedded inside of the case, so it's compatible with their magnetic wireless car charger. So it's pretty cool that you can be able to, go driving wherever it is you're gonna go. If you wanna use navigation, but you don't want your phone to die, you don't have to worry about, plugging in any wire. You just magnetically put it on that wireless car charger and boom, it starts charging your device. So it was pretty cool how they were able to do that with this case. But overall, very cool looking case. Like I said, not the most protective case, so I wouldn't, go throwing your phone around or anything like that. This case is kind of more for style. If you want to look good with your device, but you still want, at least a little bit of protection from some scratches. If you happen to put it, flat on its back on the table like that, if you're sliding it around, if you have a screen protector on like I do here, then you're pretty much good to go because your display will be protected and the back of your device will be protected as well. But again, this is the Pitaka Mag Easy case. Absolutely love this case, looking really, really good. Now next up we have some cases here by Caseology. This first one here is the Caseology Vault case, which I actually really like. I decided to go gray with this one just to change up the color a little bit compared to all the other cases that I have here. Most of them are all black, and then I have this red one right here. So I decided to throw a gray in there whenever I feel like using this. And this one kind of reminds me of the Onyx case that we saw here from Rinky. It's got that same texture in the back, except for the top here, it's got a different type of texture, but I think it looks really, really nice on this device paired with, you know, that black camera module there. Feels really good in the hands, going to give your phone some decent protection, doesn't add too much bulk to it, just enough bulk to give your device, like I said, some decent protection. But overall, very nice looking case. Like I said, feels good in the hands, doesn't add too much weight to your phone, and your phone feels actually like it's nice and secure in this case. There is a little bit of flex on the top and the bottom and kind of on the sides, but if you happen to drop it, your phone is not gonna fall out of this case. But I really just overall like this case just because of the looks of it. I think it looks really, really nice on this device. And again, it's going to give you some decent protection. And I have one more right here from Caseology. This is the Parallax Case. There we go. As you can see, it's a little bit tougher to get this one on your phone, but it is on there nice and tight, so you know your phone is going to be secure in this case right here. And I really like just the overall design in the back. I think it's got a nice texture in the middle, and then you got a nice smooth surface on the top and the bottom, and kind of like this gun metal railing all the way around the sides and kind of down here at the bottom. I think it just looks really cool, really nice, and it goes good with that camera module, and it's going to give your device some decent protection as well. The lips on the top and the bottom, you know, aren't the deepest lips, so if you happen to drop your phone face down from a high level, I'm not sure if it'll protect it the best, but you know, if you have some light drops, it is going to protect your device pretty good. But I really just like it for the style, the overall design in the back. Really cool looking case. Again, this is the Caseology Parallax. And last but not least, if I know I'm going to be having a very hard day at work, or if I'm just feeling dangerous that day and I know I'm going to be doing something that can possibly break my phone, if I happen to drop it or it just gets caught up in what I'm doing, this is the case that I am throwing on my phone right here. This is the Subcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, and this has been my go-to case for when it comes to the ultimate protection. It gives you a good sized lip on the top, on the bottom, on the sides. You got some very good protection in the back. It's going to add quite a bit of bulk to your device, but if you want the ultimate protection, this is the case to go with. You got a nice deep cutout for the camera. It's also got a kickstand as well. So, you know, if I'm at work taking a break or something, I want to put my phone down, maybe watch something, I can just set it up like that, or I can set it up like this, watch a movie or something. I can even use it as a pop socket, as you can see there. And not only that, oh, that kind of hurt. Not only that, but it also comes with a holster. So if you know you're working at the construction site, you always like having your phone by your side. You have a 360-degree holster right here. You just clip it onto your pants or whatever, and there it is. It's always there for you when you need it. But yes, when it comes to the ultimate protection, when I really need to protect this device 100% and make sure nothing is going to happen to it, this is the case that I am throwing on here. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro, and I have actually done a drop test with this case many times, not only on this device, but lots of other devices as well, and it always holds up great. I mean, the phones still look like brand new after those drop tests. So, I mean, I can drop this whenever I want, and it is going to protect my device. Again, this is a Subcase Unicorn Beetle Pro in red. I actually really, really like this red color in this case. Of course, they also got other colors available, but I just really like this red one overall. So there it is. These are my favorite go-to cases for my Galaxy S21 Ultra. We got the Rinky Onyx case, the Subcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, the Pitaka Mag Easy case, the Rinky Fusion X Camel Black case, the Caseology Vault, and the Caseology Parallax case as well. All amazing cases. I'll have links down in the description below in case you want to check one out for yourself, or maybe check out two for yourself. Let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Which one of these cases were your favorite? If there's any cases that maybe I haven't shown on the channel that you want me to check out personally and maybe show on the channel, just let me know down in the comment sections below. I want to know what your favorite case is for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra or any other device that you may have. Thank you all so very much for watching. Again, let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. If you did like this video, find it helpful, make sure to leave a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.